Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsa Bache, and I'm an accredited seller of the MCI Home. So today, tara samahan niyo po ako, i-update ko po kayo sa construction ni Allegra Garden Place. Okay po? Okay po, so before start po, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay mana-notify po kayo. Okay, so right now I'm here at Prisma Residences. Kung napapanood ninyo yung mga video ko, kasi magkatabi yung dalawang project na to. Si Prisma Residences is nandito. Meron na tayong dalawang ready for occupancy na unit and one pre-selling. And then, yung katabi niya, yung pre-selling project natin na si Allegra Garden Place. So, before we start po, a quick information about Allegra Garden Place. So, Allegra Garden Place is located along, Pasig Boulevard. Okay? In Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. Okay? So, if you're familiar po sa C5 flyover, going to Market, makikita ninyo sa right side, there's an ongoing construction doon. Wherein, nandun nga, dalawang project na nandun, si Prisma Residences and si Allegra Garden Place. Okay, so for Allegra Garden Place, we'll be building two high-rise buildings, okay, that composed of 56 stories for each building. And also dito, ang kagandahan nito kay Allegra Garden Place, bago na yung building facade nito, yung traditional na steel railing balcony natin, ginawa natin na siya into a glass balcony. And of course, yung doors and windows natin dito mas wider na because instead of the window type air conditioning, pinalatan na natin into a split type na on all units. Okay, so for this project, we'll be building we're offering a studio unit na 30 to 34 square meters, a one bedroom unit na 38 to 41 square meters, a two bedroom unit na 55 to 60 square meters, and a 3-bedroom unit na 83 square meters. So, right after this video, i-discuss ko yung mga sample computations natin for this project. So, right now, currently, nasa 52% completion na ang si Allegra Garden Place. Okay, as you can see, ayan yung video natin para sa first building kay Amina, and this is second building kay Soraya. So, halos magparehas na yung floor levels ng dalawa. Okay, and at the same time, ay mas halos parehas na rin yung floor levels ni Prisma Residences and ni Allegra Garden Place. So, pero si Allegra Garden Place po mas mataas pa siya. Okay, compared kay Prisma. Okay, so ngayon, so that includes may construction update po for Allegra Garden Place. So, if you want to know more about this project, nandyan yung numbers ko po naka-flash po sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, and pwede nyo rin akong email. Okay, and at the same time, pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing or online presentation para sa mga clients natin based abroad. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching po. Stand by po sa next video ko. God bless po, stay safe po. Bye-bye po.